So my four-wheel drive neutral light is flashing on this truck, and it's in two-wheel drive, and if you look on the dash, there's nothing going on. When I turn the switch to change, nothing happens. But if I press and hold it, I actually have to put it into neutral. Press and hold the neutral till it stops blinking. I had something wrong because I used to be able to press and hold it. It would stop blinking. Then you could switch it, turn the button, and it would show something on the dash, but it's not doing that. Hey guys, this motor is the transfer case motor, and this is on a 2011 Dodge Ram 1500. So I'm having problems with this going into four-wheel drive. I've tested a whole bunch of stuff, and I'm not really going to bore you with all of it because it didn't really make any difference what I did. But I just wanted to point out to you that this needs to be replaced to get the four-wheel drive on this truck to work. And there's no, this is the new one, and there's no four-wheel lights. There's no four-wheel drive lights on my dash at all. And my switch that changes it from two-wheel drive to four-wheel drive, it won't work. It doesn't do anything. But I checked it and it's good. And I checked the power to it and it's good. I checked power to this and it's good. I unplugged the harness that you see right here. And then I turned on the truck and then I plugged it back in. And then I was getting a signal enough that I could see the four-wheel drive on the dash, and it changed once and then it went away. So I'm going to put a new one on here and see how it goes. One thing I wanted to point out to you though, on this wire, this one wire that goes into the back here, comes over. This has to be disconnected from this harness. You got to pull this wire out with like a small screwdriver and then put it into the wiring harness of the new pump. Don't cut it off. Just letting you know. So before I changed out the transfer case motor on this neutral light down here was blinking red, and sometimes it wouldn't even be on at all. And when you'd go to turn the knob to change from two-wheel drive to four-wheel drive, nothing would come onto the dash. Now you see it blinking. It's working now. And like I said before, I thought that my switch was the problem because it wouldn't do anything no matter what. I couldn't get it to change or adjust or anything like that. But now when I flip the switch, it changes. So now I'm in two-wheel drive, and there's nothing on the dash. So I'm going to take this truck for a spin and make sure that all the four-wheel drive functions work. And then I'll say it's a replaced successful repair. Anyway, thanks for watching. And if you have any questions, leave it in the comments and I'll do my best to get back to you. Thanks.